SOG, right? Right?
Couldn't make it. Man the gun, don't get killed.
Sir.
All right. M202's bow on the starboard side, armored up. Mason, you're driving. Let's see what they think of this.
Goes out to Sergeant Blundell. All our boys are on the up.
Heads up! Enemy camp ahead! On the left! RPG! Show no mercy! Mason, fire your thing up! Wait, reloading! Yeah, fucking terrible! He's coming down! Yeah, under fire! We need to reload! Reload! Mortar fire! Hold on! Really close! Yeah, right on the money! Hopefully today, David! Nice one, Mason. Now head for that barricade blocking the river. Our boys will take care of it. Need more ammo! This one's easy. Those fuckers! See you up in that bridge! Yeah. One more! Reload! Watch out, motherfucker! Yeah, get the last of them! Wait, reloading! Come on, Sam, man! You know what to do! Another TSU! How many more? One left! I'm out! What the hell is that? Give it all you got! It's gonna be the last one! That's the stronghold! We got him on the run! Something big is on its way! This is it, boys! PT boats ain't gonna back the engines in the rear! Out! Don't just sit there, mate! That thing is tearing to the engine! Reload! Smoke them! Take them out now! Got him! Got him! Is that all they got? Medic!
That young kid didn't make it. I swear to God that Woods was crying. But he never let us see no tears.
Nothing so far. Wait, something's in the trees.
Whatever happened here? We just missed it.
Get a downed bird here. Talk to me.
There's nothing out here.
Bullshit.
Bowman, what happened?
There's nothing here.
Right. The plane must be close, Mason. Kravchenko is near.
I see you, Wolf 10. Welcome to paradise.
I feel it. Kravchenko is near.
Say again.
Kravchenko, he must be near.
Fucking hope so.
They found it just ahead, patching it through. I have visual confirmation. Ground zero, bodies and cargo all over the place. I say again, I have visual
Mason, head for the shore.
confirmation.
We don't have much time.
Wolf 10, this is Centurion 3. Follow me. You can land over here.
Fine.
I have limited ground support. Dropping
Our
off
key
now.
to Kravchenko. Stay. Let go.
We're all yours, sir. Where do you want us? If one of you guys guard the boat, rest of you men, follow my lead. Now!
Activity, they're heading right for you. Movement, Centurion 4 and 5, air support now.
Target down! Tango, left hill! Try that floating tree! Sniper's in the tree!
Mark that down. He's dead!
Sniper! In the tree! Sniper!
Enemy helicopters incoming. Russian high. They were just waiting for us. Sweep the
In the tree! Sniper! Moving! To the left hill! Snipers in the trees! Spetsnaz! Hopefully I'm putting it in.
Grenade out!
Уничтожить!
Tango down.
In the tree! Sniper! Snipers in the trees! Don't quit now! The hides are going! We still got a chance! Take high, sniper!
Jody, give me cover.
Be quick! Я его накрыл! Легко!
What happened?
Chemical weapon.
Nova 6. Must have dispersed after the crash.
Grenade launchers, Channel Lakes. The hell the Russians do with American weapons?
Must be some kind of setup. Nova 6 is all gone. See here? Map of the area. It's gotta be Kravchenko's compound, deep inside Laos.
Kravchenko. He must die.
Okay, Mason. Let's go.
Down there, look!
Bowman sniper rifle. Mason, use the Channel 8. Blow these fuckers to keep them coming.
You got it.
Right to that! Tree line! Hostile!
Contact down. He's dead! Target down!
Moving! At the tree line!
Got him!
Incoming! Tree line! Hostile! Fuck, the hides are back! You're out! Brace yourself, Mason! Держи в поле зрения!
Dragovich.
Kravchenko. It's been too long, Mace. We must make up for lost time.